Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing which is a bit of a like big one, or big step up, I would call it, because we have two massive releases basically in one. I was going to split this video into like two separate ones, but I just felt like that would be just dragging it out for each of them. So I'm going to put this together, and yeah, that is about it. You can tell by the title what it's going to be. So yeah, we've got the Travis Scott Fragment, or the Fragment Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low, and then we've got the Off-White Dunk. So yeah, let's just get straight into this. But as per normal, let me know down below whether you hit either of these, and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling what you picked up. That is going to happen, well, the first one sort of decided what's going to happen with that, but the second one will depend on what lot I get, because that is a big thing in the end. So yeah, let's just see anyway and get straight into this. Okay, so as you can tell, these are packages that we're going through. This one, then this one to finish off. And yeah, I just thought that I'd have something simple to get into things with, basically, with this top one. So this, like I said, is really simple in the end. I just saw it on Adidas, and I thought, why not at the end of the day? I know that a lot of people aren't really wearing these nowadays. I went out the other day with family, and literally I was like the only person wearing a mask out and about. So yeah, that is what these are going to be. I didn't have to pay shipping. I don't really know why, because it said that the shipping was £4 or $3.99 or whatever they charge. And then I checked out and there was no shipping. I don't know if that's a thing for them now, but I'm not going to complain. I mean, I'll take that at the end of the day. So yeah, these are just a couple more face masks. I've already got like 10, but I just feel that, like, if you're going out somewhere, if you're going like two ways in a direction, so say you get a train there and back, you want a mask for each duration of the train, but you also want one on you. So having extras is just useful at the end of the day. So they had a red one, or they did a set basically of red, white and black. So yeah, I feel that Adidas masks are like the comfiest ones that I've had, because I've got like an ear issue with my like eustachian tube, which is why I've got like a breathing, all of that sort of issue. So with that, the ones that are a bit more tight on my ear and pull on there really cause a lot of discomfort and pain in the end. So I feel that Adidas ones, out of any that I've had or tried or put on or been given to like wear, they've just been the comfiest for me. So yeah, moving on anyway. So the next package is pretty substantial, to say the least. Like I was saying, I don't really know how I'm meant to open it, because their tape is like really high quality, sturdy tape. But yeah, this is a substantial one. Or if the tape comes off like that, that'd be amazing. But this is substantial. No, it doesn't. A pretty substantial one, to say the least. It's a recent release that is quite high profile, as I said, and yeah, I really don't know how I'm meant to open this. Right, so I've got it, or got the tape off in the end, and it's sort of ruined the box, but this is a pretty substantial piece. Yeah, this is the first one that I've actually had in hand out of any that have been released, so I can't even open the box. There we go, right. Is that really how they said the invoice? Oh wow, okay. So, as you can see, they really packaged this up like in an amazing way. I don't want to really like tear it or anything, but I'll have to get it out. So, this is not my size, clearly. This is a rather large box, as you can tell, I'm sure. I'm really disappointed that I'm going to have to rip this tape, like, or this paper, because they taped it, so I'm going to have to tear it. But, wow, this is the Travis Scott Fragment, or, you know, Jordan 1 Low Fragment. Wow. So yeah, that is a cool box, to say the least. So that's how it arrives, and yeah, it says Fragment design on the box. So let's take that out. That's cool. Here's the box, obviously in the nice, like, I'd say it's like off-white colouring, to be honest. That's some cool paper. Wow. They really go all out for this, don't they? So once we open the paper up, we've got the standard paper, and then we move on to the boat. That is the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Fragment design pair. So yeah, like I said, this is not my size. As you can see, it's huge. These are quite cool though. If I'd hit my size for retail, I would have possibly been persuaded. But yeah, for the price that they're going for, out of my budget is out of pocket. So let's go up close with them, as you can see in the end. I thought that it was like scuffing, not on this, yeah it is on this side. I thought it was like scuffing, but it's just that it actually says cactus right there, if you can see it. So yeah, you move on to the back, you've got just all of the details. They are quite insane. And then on the side, obviously, you've got the little touch there. So yeah, I mean, what else is there to say on the inside? The tongue, it says Air Jordan. There isn't really much else about it. But yeah, that is about it for this pair. Laces give you a lot of choice compared to like other pairs that I've bought, where you get like one lace or two possibly. You've got three choices. So you've already got the color of like this creamy off-white color, and then you've got the blue that goes with it, the pink that I'm guessing is like this highlight accent on the inside here, and black. So yeah, solid. Is there anything with the eyelet? No. But yeah, that is going to cover it for this pair. Like I said, not my size, you can tell. But they are cool regardless. So the final item, like I said, we're just stepping things up bit by bit. This is my, hopefully, or I'm hopeful that this is my Percy pair. So these are obviously the off-white dunks from the lot. So here's the thing, I really want 38 or 49. That's it. So, please. Does it say lot number? I don't see lot number, but let's get the box out regardless. So here they are. That box is very weird. I still don't know what number it is. I don't get it. Yeah, the box. Very weird, isn't it? I thought it was actual tape, but it's like a printed on design field tape. I don't know, it's like a custom tape. But there it is. I don't know if that's a lot number. I don't know what that's meant to be there for. Just go with it, I suppose, at the end of the day. They are in my size, so yeah, let's open it up. Oh, it comes straight off, okay. I was opening it up in that way. Okay, right, tape, not tape. Paper goes this way, standard. What do we have? 22. Okay. I thought we were in like the number 30s and 40s at the moment, but 22. I mean, they're not that bad. I was looking for a suede sort of one. I'm not feeling that tongue, I will be honest. This orange tongue is very out there. But you know, they aren't that bad. I don't know how I feel about this olivey green like part to it. I'm not mad. Like they look quite cool. I don't know though, do they? Is it just because it's off-white Nike? Like, I was really looking forward to like a blue, you know, top, and this orange is, it's like clay orange. I'm not feeling too much, but yeah, I definitely did not get one of the ones that people were on about. I got number 22, so yeah, let's just go up close anyway. So there they are. I was really looking for suede over patent like leather, but I'm not going to complain because I did get exclusive access. So yeah, and then obviously it says 22 of 50 there. So yeah, I mean it's cool to hit one obviously, and it's different, but I just don't know. I really don't know. I wasn't expecting this number. Oh, that's cool on the box that I didn't see that it has a tick there to say I've got 22 or 50. So that's cool. I didn't show that properly. I don't know. I'm a bit undecided on them. I like the grey, I really do, but I was really looking forward to a suede pair, I'll be honest. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep these for the personal or not. They are cool. They were only retail at the end of the day. But yeah, that is going to cover this video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, like, would be much appreciated. Other than that, let me know down below what lot number you got, because I definitely wasn't expecting this one. And yeah, that about covers it. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.